Greenhouse gases allow solar radiation to enter Earth's atmosphere, but prevent the heat resulting from the solar radiation from escaping the atmosphere. So let's say this is the Earth, and this is the Sun. The Sun emits ultraviolet radiation, or UV rays. Some of these UV rays are reflected off the ozone layer. The ozone layer is made up of O3 molecules and reflects most of the harmful UVA and UVB rays. Another portion of the Sun's UV rays get reflected off of the clouds. A third portion gets reflected off of Earth's surface itself. A part of Sun's UV radiation is absorbed by Earth's surface, which makes Earth's surface heat up. When Earth's surface heats up, it releases infrared radiation, or IR rays, into the atmosphere and eventually into space. However, greenhouse gases reflect the infrared rays back towards Earth's surface, which makes Earth's atmosphere warmer. This is called the greenhouse effect and is a natural process that is required for life on Earth. If there were no greenhouse gases, Earth's average temperature would be around 0 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 18 degrees Celsius. However, greenhouse gas levels have been rapidly increasing recently, leading to global warming. Greenhouse gases consist of carbon dioxide or CO2, water vapor or H2O, methane or CH4, nitrous oxides or N2O, and fluorinated gases. CO2 is mainly emitted from burning fuels like natural gas, coal, and wood. It can also be emitted from respiration and the manufacturing of certain goods. CO2 is naturally sequestered by photosynthesis, but CO2 levels have been increasing due to increased fossil fuel usage. Water vapor is created from the evaporation of water. As the globe heats up, more water is evaporated, leading to a positive reinforcement cycle called the warming effect. Methane is emitted from livestock, agriculture, waste management, industrial processes, and leaked natural gas. It has a shorter lifespan than CO2 but is 25 times worse. Nitrous oxide gets emitted due to agricultural and industrial processes, fuel combustion, and as part of the natural nitrogen cycle. Fluorinated gases come only from synthetic processes, such as semiconductor manufacturing and insulation. They are the most harmful type of greenhouse gas, and function by depleting the ozone layer. Infrared radiation causes greenhouse gases to vibrate more, and collisions between molecules that transfer vibrational energy increase, thus increasing the average thermal energy. Only molecules that have 3 or more atoms can absorb the infrared radiation. Oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, and argon together make up 99.9% of Earth's atmosphere, but only contain 2 or fewer atoms. These molecules are either bonded very tightly or not bonded at all, and therefore don't increase the atmosphere's average thermal energy. Chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, are fluorinated gases that catalyze the degradation of the ozone layer. First, ultraviolet radiation breaks the bonds in the CFC molecule, which isolates a chlorine atom. Then, the chlorine atom reacts with an ozone molecule to create hypochlorite and oxygen gas. The hypochlorite molecule reacts with a lone oxygen atom to produce a chlorine atom and an oxygen gas molecule. The overall reaction is that an ozone molecule reacts with a lone oxygen atom to yield 2 oxygen gas molecules. As you see, the chlorine atom is not used up in the reaction. In fact, 1 chlorine atom can break down up to 100,000 ozone molecules. Other fluorinated gases also work in a similar fashion.